Work in progress. Hello, art enthusiasts and digital creators. My name is Victoria Easterfield. When you see me, you're looking at a work in progress. How was I created? What's the story behind this journey? Before we jump into the creative process, make sure to hit that like button and click follow so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming projects and tips. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of digital art, where creativity and technology come together to produce incredible artworks. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process of creating stunning digital art from start to finish. The journey begins with a spark of inspiration, an idea that sets the stage for your artwork. This initial thought, which can arise from curiosity, need, or imagination, is crucial. In the digital art realm, this idea is known as a prompt. The more detailed and imaginative your prompt, the better the final result. Write down your prompt, adding descriptive elements to enhance its potential. With your prompt ready, you'll use a text-to-image generator. These tools leverage artificial intelligence to convert your written descriptions into visual art, generating anywhere from 20 to 100 images from a single prompt. Review these images and select the best ones. You might combine elements from different images to create a new composition that incorporates the best features of each. Once you have your chosen images, refine them using image editing software. Adobe Photoshop is a popular choice due to its advanced features for photo retouching, layer management, and customizable brushes. To ensure the highest quality, use an upscale generator which enhances the project's resolution.
In this segment, we'll explore how to breathe life into your static 2D PNG using a cutting-edge 2D image-to-AI video motion animator program. This tool leverages advanced algorithms to analyze your artwork and create dynamic animations that mimic real-life movement. By applying motion presets and refining keyframes, you'll see your once static image transform into a fluid, animated sequence. This process not only enhances the visual appeal of your project but also opens new possibilities for storytelling and engagement. Get ready to watch your creativity come to life as we dive into the exciting world of AI-powered animation. In the final phase, we'll delve into the powerful capacity and editability of Final Cut Pro, a leading video editing software. With its robust features, Final Cut Pro offers unparalleled control over your project, allowing you to manipulate every aspect of your video with precision. Its intuitive interface and advanced tools enable seamless editing, from fine-tuning clips to applying intricate effects. You can effortlessly adjust colors, transitions, and audio, ensuring every detail aligns perfectly with your vision.
One, two, three, you can tell me what you need, baby, check this. ABC, you make it look so.
Additionally, Final Cut Pro's support for high-resolution formats and its comprehensive media management make it a go-to choice for both professional and creative editing needs. Let's explore how these features can enhance your project and bring your creative ideas to fruition.